We have MOSMEA Muralidharan also criticizing the left government. Let's listen in.
It's an effort by the CPM government in Kerala to suppress the media, suppress the free expression of ideas, and it is against all democratic norms. Kerala government is now worried about the investigation going on against the gold smuggling scam. And that gold smuggling, for which the people in the government and the CPIM party, they are involved. So it has created a negative. So the government wants to control the expression of ideas. Government wants to control freedom of expression, and government wants to suppress the media. This is against the constitution. This is against the democratic norms. This is against any modern society. In any modern society, such a law cannot be acceptable.
देखिए, इन दिनों में सोशल मीडिया में जिस प्रकार का प्रचार प्रसार अनचेक जा रहा है, उसमें कहीं ना कहीं तो रोक लगनी चाहिए। और मुझे लगता है कि केंद्र सरकार ने किया, और इसमें केंद्र सरकार को भी चिंता करनी चाहिए किस प्रकार हम एक हो सके तो सेंट्रल लॉ लाएं जिसके अंतर्गत ये सारा मामला आए, और जितना अनचेक मटेरियल सोशल मीडिया पर जा रहा है उस पर कुछ ना कुछ अंकुश लगना चाहिए।
I think with social media there's an additional dimension of misuse of the right of liberty and freedom of speech. There are lots of fake news which is floating, but 5 years I think is a bit too much for this kind of an offence, and there can always be possibility of misuse of such laws. So I don't think this punishment should exceed 1 year.
So there was huge protest against the draconian law that was brought in by the Kerala government as well. In fact, just to let our viewers know what this law was, the promulgation of the law stipulated either imprisonment for up to 5 years or a fine of up to 10,000 rupees or both to those who produce, publish or disseminate content through any means of communication with an intention to intimidate, insult or defame any person through social media. A lot of legal experts and in fact politicians criticized the promulgation of this ordinance, saying that this was means to curb media rights and also to curb freedom of expression. After 2 days of uproar, in fact, we had BJP also going in and moving the Kerala High Court, challenging the Kerala Police Amendment Ordinance. This morning, we saw the BJP leaders going to the High Court. The hearing was to take place tomorrow. But now we have a statement coming in from the Kerala Chief Minister saying that they will withdraw the law and bring in after a discussion in the assembly. So it's a big win for freedom of expression, for media rights as well. There were protests on the streets of Kerala by Congress workers as well. The BJP was mulling legal route to fight the CPM government. But earlier we saw a statement coming in from CPM General Secretary Sitaram Yechury as well, who said that that they will reconsider the law. And now we have a statement coming in from Pinarayi Vijayan, Kerala Chief Minister as well, saying that they will reconsider the law, they will take it back and they will bring it in after a discussion in the assembly.